Today we're going to solve two-digit multiplication problems using the matrix strategy. We'll start with the problem 32 times 45. When multiplying a two-digit number by another two-digit number, I'll need to first start with a box that has 2 rows and 2 columns. After I've set up my box, I need to separate my two-digit numbers into tens and ones. So my number 32 will be split up into 30 and 2 more. 30 represents my tens, 2 represents my ones. I'll do the same for the number 45. First, I'll split 40 and then 5, separating my tens into one column and my ones into another column. Once my matrix is set up, I'm ready to multiply in simpler parts. I'll first multiply in the very first top left box, 30 times 40. I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and I'll simply add my 2 zeros to get the answer 1200 when I multiply 30 times 40. Next, I'll multiply 30 times 5. I know that 3 times 5 is 15, and I just add my 0 to get 150. I have 2 boxes remaining on the bottom. First, I'll need to multiply 40 times 2. Since 4 times 2 equals 8, I'll record that and add my 0. Last, I have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. I have now completed my matrix, but I've not quite solved the problem. Once my matrix is completed, I just have to add all of my components together to get the product of 32 times 45. I will add 1200 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10. When I add all of my zeros together in the ones column, I get 0. 5 plus 8 plus 1 gives me 14. I'll carry my 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 gives me 4. And I'm left with 1 in my thousands place. My product for 32 times 45 is 1,440. We have just solved the problem 32 times 45 using the matrix strategy. 32 times 45 is 1,440. Now that we have reviewed the matrix strategy for solving two-digit multiplication problems, try these two on your own. Remember all of the steps. Feel free to pause or go back to the beginning of the video if you forget what to do.